Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining what the image must communicate and why it matters to your viewer. Once you know tone and palette, search stock libraries with specific keywords and orientation filters. This saves hours. Make sure to immediately confirm the license type, royalty-free versus rights-managed changes, reuse, and cost. If you plan modifications, check if the license allows derivatives. These early selections prevent legal headaches and keep visual consistency across the project as you move to editing. Next, import chosen files into your editor and make purposeful adjustments. Crop to focus the subject, correct exposure, and harmonize colors with a preset to ensure brand consistency. Once done, scale while preserving resolution. 72 dpi is fine for web, higher for print. If you need to remove objects or composite elements, verify the license allows such edits and retain original files and edit notes for asset tracking. This ensures legal compliance and repeatable visual standards across platforms. Finally, export optimized files matching destination specs, using JPG for compressed web images, PNG for transparency needs, and TIFF for high-quality printmasters. Once exported, embed metadata, author, license, usage limits, so future editors know the rules. Upload to your CMS or handoff folder and test in context to confirm colors and bleed. If something goes wrong, like a disputed license or poor quality, immediately review the original license, locate your receipt, and contact the provider for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.